Hey Geminis, welcome to my channel Revolution. Welcome guys, I'm so happy to have you here and to see all your response. I'm really loving the fact that you guys comment, you always respond to all my videos and appreciate it. Thank you so much for doing that. So Gemini, this is going to be a reading for you for Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. In case you don't know how to check your signs, please check out the description box below. So Gemini, what I was getting in my meditation for you mainly was you are getting into like sci-fi movies. Now maybe you're watching a lot of sci-fi movies or you're reading comics on sci-fi characters, or you're really interested and digging up maybe old animes that you used to watch before, and you've started watching it again. So I was tapping into that, like something related to Marvels or superpower shows or whatnot. Okay, I was heavily channeling that for you. Also, I got this download where you were laser focused on something. Like there's something in your life at this moment, whenever you're watching this, that you're laser focused on a person, on a situation that you have a complete understanding of, okay? And you're just observing and taking your time and moving forward with this person. So let's see. Now I have my cards. I'm doing my readings a little bit differently. I'm also going to be trying to upload a video every day on my channel. I appreciate your likes, your comments, so please do so on my message and your subscriptions as well. So let's see, Gemini, what kind of a spell are you under? What kind of a spell is Gemini under? What kind of a spell is Gemini under? Apparently it's the superpower spell that I was channeling for you, but let's see. What is it that Gemini is dealing with? What is the spell that they are? Oh my god. Okay. The card has literally... it just flew off the table, okay? So this is the card that I got. It's boundaries. So the spell that you are under right now, Gemini, is you are taking your space, okay? You're taking your time from people, from the surroundings, from any kind of negative vibration that is trying to lower you, okay, in some way. Like lower your frequency, lower your vibration. You're avoiding all of those things. Okay, and maybe it's the boundaries that you need so that you can focus on your own life purpose, on your sense of self. Okay, because sometimes, Gemini, you being a mutable air sign, you are intellectually trying to take care of everything around you or everyone around you. Okay, it gets really burdensome on you. So right now universe has put you on a spell of wanting to have boundaries with people. So in case you must be wondering, like, why is it that I don't feel like meeting others, even though I'm such a social person, and is something wrong with me? And you might be judging yourself based on that, but this is saying that the universe has put you there on purpose, okay? Because of your overgiving, like your overgiving nature to people, okay? Maybe you give yourself too much to other people, and now is the time to focus on the self, right? So putting boundaries on relationships that were taking from you rather than giving you, okay? Yeah, I also see you like getting into some form of meditation, or trying to keep yourself in a healthy state of mind, healthy emotional state, okay, in front of people or friends or family, or in your work situation, right? Which is beautiful. And look at that, as you do that, you receive all the answers. You're receiving all the guidance, the answers from the universe, because the universe is supporting you do this rather than you focus on others, okay, or focus on the external, which is beautiful. It's making you wiser, Gemini, like I can see. Alright, so my loves, let's dive into the tarot. Let's see what is it that you need to know the most right now, okay? But this is a beautiful message here about keeping healthy boundaries with people who are energy leeches or energy vampires who try to suck the life out of you because you are overgiving, you're nurturing, you're caring, right? And you are an intellectual sign, so you try to think of all the alternatives of how to take care of someone, or how to fulfill someone's wishes, or how to make someone else happy. You are a genius at that, right? So let's see, what does Gemini need to know right now? What is it that they need to focus on? Wow, okay. So 8 of Wands, this is your opposite energy. This is Sagittarius energy. Okay. But yeah, 10 of Wands. I feel like there's a Sagittarius here who you are dealing with. Okay, it's your opposite sign, but they're pissed off at you about something. Like, maybe it's that you're taking your space, you have some boundaries. Okay, you have healthy boundaries when it comes to this person, and this person is not able to get through to you the way they could before. Okay, and this is causing them a lot of burden, like emotionally, mentally, physically. They feel drained, they feel like they are the only person who's taking care of the relationship. But that's not true, Gemini. I mean, I think you were there with this person at one point, but there was some sort of a wrong decision, wrong judgment that was made by this person that caused you to take that space from them, okay, to find your own answers, okay, rather than this person making you feel insecure. It's you who took your power back and your energy back and started focusing on yourself, and you made this decision rightfully so, okay. That's what I'm seeing here, because this person, I see this person being extremely impatient, okay. Like, some of the qualities that I'm getting of this person is that this person would be very impatient, rush towards you, communicate with you. They wanted a lot of fast movement. They could not wait for your answers. So you just took your energy back completely, okay? Because you cannot be rushed, Gemini. You need to take your time to think things through in case you want a serious relationship, or you want you want a relationship for the long term, right? You need some time to think about it. So that's what I'm seeing here. And in the present moment, I see you make the decision, where you make the decision of having boundaries with this person because of this person's habit to always try to break them, okay? Try to break your boundaries in some way. And look at that, Ace of Swords. Yes, Gemini. That is the mental clarity that you are receiving because you take that step for yourself, okay? Because you recognize that giving this person a lot of your attention was not worth it, okay? You recognize that, and that's how you get the answers, right? I got the answers at the bottom of the deck, and I have the Ace of Swords here as well. So you receive the clarity because you took your energy back from this person, okay? And you gain a lot of mental clarity, in case there was some kind of truth that you're waiting for. I feel that you're going to receive it by opening yourself up to having healthy boundaries, okay? That will definitely help you. And don't think that you're doing something wrong by having your own space, okay? By needing your own space. There's nothing wrong with having that, okay? Especially when you've been around people who have tried to put all the burdens on you in some way, shape or form. Tell me about Gemini's energy. What is it that they need to focus on right now? Anything that people are putting burdens on you about, Gemini, it's important that you take the decision to tell them the truth, okay? And to let them know that, you cannot handle everything yourself, okay? There are some things that you cannot do, and if your ego is coming, your ego is the boundary that is kind of causing a distance between you and this person and the clarity, then it's important that you open up and, express your truth to them, okay, about however it is that you feel. Don't try to run away from your feelings, okay? That is also what I was getting. Let's see, where is this heading for Gemini? Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. Guys, please do comment. Let me know who this person you're dealing with is. I'm not able to speak today. Okay, I got the Sun. So with the Sun here, this is beautiful energy, Gemini. This is beautiful energy. Although I feel like you will feel that the truth that you receive from this person is kind of going to make you a little uncertain about your future, okay? But it is eventually to make you happy, because Sun is the happiest card in the deck. I feel like this truth is going to is going to solve a lot of your problems regarding whatever it is that you were facing with this person. It could be communication problems, communication gap between you and this person, okay, and taking on the whole relationship by yourself. The truth will be revealed about this, and you will have the happiness that you deserve through this communication. It's important that you exercise your opinion when it comes to this relationship about what it is that makes you happy, okay? Because sometimes, Gemini, when you are doing things for others, it's like you forget that you also need things in return, okay? There's a tendency for you to forget that, is what I'm getting. So learn to ask for what you deserve, okay? Chariot, okay? Yeah, so this is 2 major arcanas here, okay? This is very, very important. I see a fire sign that is very, very interested in coming back to you. They are very attracted to you, okay? This could be heavy Sagittarian placement is what I'm getting, with some air in their chart, as well as Leo and Cancer that you could be dealing with right now as you're watching this. But this person definitely wants a happy ending, a victory with you, or a sense of revealing their own dark and light side in front of you, okay? Maybe this person has tried to open up to you about something. They have tried to open up about their problems, about the way they have been through difficulties in life and how they try to overcome them, okay? And they feel a lot more closer to you because they have done that. They feel a lot more happier with you when they are around you, okay? And especially, it's like, Gemini, you are the no bullshit kind of a person, okay? You don't bullshit, but I feel like you expect the truth, and that's what you will get in return for this attitude of always wanting to keep people happy and appreciate you for the efforts that you make for them. I feel like this is definitely going to open doors for you. Now, this could also be regarding your career, where taking a step back from your relationship will give you a lot more space to work on your career frontier, right? Where you are going after what your inner child feels happy about, okay? You're going after something that makes you incredibly passionate and joyful from inside, okay? Yeah, and I see you getting a lot of learning lessons and victory through that. So it's important that you focus on what makes you happy, okay? Not compromise yourself based on other people's wants and needs, okay? But rather focus on your own, right? And yeah, because there's someone who's really, really attracted to that fragrance that you're bringing in their life, okay? Or that flavor that you're bringing in their life. Someone who wants to rush into you, and they are really, really attracted to you, yeah? Although make sure that you guys are not becoming codependent on each other, because that is also the energy that I'm getting here, that eventually this could lead to codependence, okay, where this person will want to maybe latch on to you because they don't have anything else going on in their career sector and things like that. And I see you receiving new opportunities, okay, and this may be disturbing you a little bit because this person is like on to you all the time or wanting your attention all the time, and you may have to break the news to them like, look, I cannot do this all the time, I need my space, and I'm trying to balance things out, but if you don't work with me here, then things are just going to completely derail, right? Yeah. Wow, this is amazing, Gemini. I'm so proud of you. I love the fact that you are embracing your boundaries like this, especially when universe is trying to like give you a lesson on that, right? So now I'm going to be pulling from the Shaman's Dream Oracle, okay, for your advice. Whenever you're watching this is a timeless reading. So let's see, Geminis, my genius Geminis, what is the advice for my genius Geminis pertaining to the spread? Ooh, look at that, Gemini. That says Horseman, okay? This is this person, okay? This person is like, rushing, radiating from within with feelings towards you, okay? But this could be someone who is also a little bit like, they don't have a clue as to what they want to do in life, okay? and when they see you getting busy with your purpose or disconnecting from them, they kind of feel it energetically and they want to come towards you. This could also be a lot of people around you wanting your attention, wanting your opinion on something, wanting your intellectual opinion on things, okay? A lot of opportunities coming your way, creative opportunities that is bringing in a lot of change in direction, okay? Especially because you have transmuted the pain that the past has caused you, okay? All right, so let me read this for you, my loves. Okay. And 30th of any month that you're watching this will be important for you regarding this connection. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing here. All right, let's read for you, my loves. All right. Good news, caution, herald of change. When the horseman appears, he is inviting you to spread the good news. Everyone already knows the bad news. Your task is to point out the beautiful when others see only the ugly. Note the possible, no matter how implausible it may seem. This does not mean becoming giddy or blindly optimistic, but rather reminding yourself that every storm cloud has a silver lining. Become a herald of the positive. I was telling you, right? Like your attitude of always being positive towards people, always being charming, witty, being the social butterfly. Universe is putting you in a state of boundary so that you can welcome this change in a new attitude that you have grown from within yourself during the space that you take for yourself. Okay? So become a herald of positive. Put away the fatalistic attitude, the dire predictions, the dreadful expectations about the world or about your life. Declare the arrival of a new and better you. Proclaim that you have risen from the realms of the dead, woken from a long dreadful slumber, and are back on the world stage. The show is on again. The horseman cautions you to not allow your exuberance to become hollow or trivial. Be sure that there is substance to the news you spread and you are willing to live up to the expectations you raise. The world will welcome you with open arms as you share an uplifting message. Heed the horseman when he shows up for once, for he bears good news and is announcing a prosperous and peaceful time. When he shows up twice in the same reading, use extreme caution. If you heed his warnings, all will turn out well. Right, so this is already telling you that your positive attitude is something that people need right now, Gemini, okay? You are the best communicator in the whole zodiac because you rule communication, okay? Any form of communication, be it texting, emailing, phone calls, okay? You are experts at that, okay? Be it sometimes having to lie in order to know whether you can trust the other person or not, okay? There are literal traps that you lay out for other people so that you can gauge where they are coming from, and I understand that, but right now is the time to speak your heart, to come from a place of truth and to spread good news to other people, to share or to awaken other people's life purpose within them through your energy, okay? That is how I think your life purpose is based on, is to communicate and wake people up to their own potential, right? So that's what this horseman is advising you, that the boundaries are definitely helping you establish a core sense of self, like a hard and a determined sense of self, okay, in order to bring peace to everyone. All right, my loves, so I hope this reading helped you. If it did, please let me know in the comments down below. I would really appreciate it, and thank you so much for joining my channel. I hope you all take care of yourselves, and peace.